Gosh, I swear, I hate this boat ramp. I hate it. Look how murky this water is. That's chocolate milk. Well, welcome back to another video. Let's go fishing. We got the boat out today, man. First time out of the year. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen what we got new to the boat. Now, for this season, we got a little fish finder. Really, I'm glad for depth and temperature. And 3.5 Tahatsu. Got a couple rod holders mounted up. Hey, we're ready to roll. This is a fishing boat now, so I'll see you on the water. We're already going max speed of the trolling motor. Hell yeah. And this is some dark looking stuff, so I'm gonna put this black and blue chatterbait on, and I got this jig on Amber picked out for me to use today, so we'll see how that goes. But main goals today are just getting out, breaking in the engine, testing out this fish finder, which I forgot about, and all that fun stuff, so stay tuned. Alright, so we are out here cruising along. I took the jerkbait off and I put this chatterbait on. This is my crankbait jerkbait setup, but it's alright. Staying minimal today. We're just out here breaking in the engine, testing out the fish finder. Just dropping off. See, that ain't so bad. What is let's say 7 feet now? 7.5 feet or so. So I got a black and blue chatterbait on. Huh? 3.2. I got a reel extra fast just because we're coming in at it. Not too bad out here. No, not bad at all. Jeez. That breaks out to a whole nother pocket back there. Unless that's just a bend we went around. I don't expect to catch much today.
Neither do I. That's why I put on 2 green and I'll run it. 2.5.
Yeah, I don't.
That's why I brought it to the box. I got a pan. Throw something on, throw on. Yeah, I'm not expecting. If we're lucky, I'm thinking 1 if we're lucky.
If we're lucky, yeah.
This ain't even that quarter fucking throttle.
Yeah, check this new reel I got. Say bye-bye to the Black Max. Upgraded this bad boy. So, yeah. God damn it. See, ain't it just fun, man?
Huh? Ain't it fun? Alright, you want to see what fun is? That's fun.
Yeah, we're out here. This is awesome. A bit nippy. My hand's a little cold. It's okay. A little bit of weight up for it. Alright, so unfortunately I ended the video early. We were out in St. Clair cruising around, everything was cool. And then out of nowhere, I don't know if like the winds changed or picked up something. We passed a certain point in the water and then it just got rough. So we had a few things going on, right? So first thing that happened is some braid got wrapped around my prop inside here, so the trolling motor didn't work. Yeah. Then the bilge pump stopped working. Yeah, and then the waves were getting water in the boat. Yeah, so a whole bunch of water was getting in and we couldn't pump it out. On top of that,
yeah,
we were breaking in the motor, so we could only go so fast. We were only doing like half throttle, and we were.
And now we have a new one.
It was messed up. Well, yeah. It got rough out there, but we made it. We got like 4 hours of the break-in procedure done. Next time you're coming, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look how dirty this is.
Yeah. I just love it.
So, oh yeah, and BJ kicked the fish finder off, so I'm gonna be mounting it up front by me. All right, but thanks for watching. Next time we're gonna be doing some fishing, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can get on some smallies, walleyes, largies. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.